Well, well, now. I just want to go back a few days when there was no whole lot of Hammond organs and all these guitars they have today. Listen. Well, I remember when I met Jesus. I was down, didn't know which way was the ground, didn't know how I could be found. Well, see, listen to my testimony. See, I was a person, see, all confused in my life, walking around in there and didn't have no light. And then I fell in a hole in my life where I couldn't see my way out. Then one day, I began to pray. Now, I didn't know how to pray exactly, but I said, Lord, if you're real, come help me with my deal. Oh, Lord, if you're real, change my life and make me right. But then one day, he came on in. Long way. I said, Lord, come help me. Help me with my pain and all my sufferings. Then Lord came in, gave me light, and made me right. Oh, said amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost. I said, Lord, oh Lord, you've been good to me so good. God gave me my life and made everything alright. Said God came in my life, Lord have mercy, and He made everything alright. That's what He did for me. He took me, made me right, gave me a love and a beautiful life. I said, Lord, He's been good to me. I said, Lord, you've been good. This is my praise to you. You've been so good. You've been so good. You've been so good to me. Well, He made me what I am today. Place my feet on a rock to stay. I said, Lord, Lord, it's been so good. How sweet the sound that saved it is a wretch like me. when I remember them. I remember the old folk used to say, when I don't have words, I just say, I see. That's when you don't have words to say. You just just saying, Lord, you've been so good. Lord, you've been so good.